Hey everybody, welcome to week 5, your last week of the your research course here. So good to see everybody again, or those of you that watch the videos. Um, I will hopefully all of you got to see the video. For whatever reason, this particular course, there's seems to be very little participation in it. Um, so I just, that's one of the issues, I would say I have with this, particular group of students. There's some of you that are in here and on time and everything, but, those of you that are not, you need to figure out a way to get caught up in everything, and hopefully you're not missing anything. This course is either one of the easier courses, or it's one of the most difficult, depending on your own personal ability to kind of do like a book report thing, like read something and do a report on it. So I'll just bring that up. But anyway, so I got my weekly scenery here, and I got New York City. Reason I got that is because I'm actually going on a road trip this weekend. So I did this video on Friday, so because I won't be back in town until next Wednesday. But if you need to get in touch with me, that's fine. But anyway, going to New York because I'm going to meet my sister, who's coming in from Ireland, and it's kind of a little special thingy because we haven't seen each other in 50 years. So that's a little special treat there. So that's why we got the New York thing. Inspiration, determination, deciding it's worth it to finish what you've started. I try to do these little things to help motivate you or keep you inspired. School's something you started, but it's up to you to, I can do little quotes and everything, but it's up to you to make sure you stay focused and determined to finish. Um, you have this opportunity. A lot of people will never have it or can't have it. So don't waste it. And obstacles that are in your way that prevents you from making school part of your daily life, you need to figure out a way around that. So as you move forward, you're making school part of what you're doing, because you're supposed to be learning, material in these courses, how to do things in different aspects. And when you get in, and if you're going to use your degree to get a job down the road, it's important, because employers expect you to know some of the stuff that you learned in school. So that's the other reason for doing it daily instead of trying to catch up on every third Sunday or something like that. So, all right, and we just had Veterans Day, so when some students say they always ask to see some pictures. So here's another picture of me. This is me on this side over here. So that's me in my Army days. Okay, so into the course here, and this real quick. This will be a short video because, like I said, the thing you're having to do here is just do a case report. So, Best Buy case was last week. Those I've seen, good. Format, good. Upcoming week here, we got another discussion, and again, it's not fair to classmates if only one classmate's making a post. Because that's a Wednesday, so people have time to go back and forth. So, and learn from it. The case, you got your case, but you also got your PowerPoint. So this is like your project. So you got two together there. No one's asked me anything, so I assume everybody knows what to do. We need to get that in. Also need to get if you can't, you take the time to do an evaluation on this course. That's how we know how to change things. If you got negative or positive feedback. I will say, one of the issues with this course is if you're not good at writing, that's one of the things. But this is one of the things in the business world you may be asked to do one day. You may be running an office or part of an office or a warehouse or um, any other job somewhere, and your boss may come to you one day and say, "Hey, we're thinking about whatever it is, and why don't you look up some stuff and let us know what you think?" And so you have to turn around and look, just like in this course, each week you look up something and you do a report on it. And that's what you have to present to your boss. And, you may think, oh, I'll do that. Well, like I say, depending on what you're doing, you may be the resident expert on, a widget, but the boss wants to know about a new widget. So, whatever that widget is, it could be a credit card machine, it could be software for a computer. So depending on what you're doing, You know, this is stuff that you may have to do down the road, so that's why this course is important and you need to know how to do it. So okay, so yeah, project this week, discussion, you know, same thing. We need to get everybody involved there. Evaluation, and also being that this is the last week, um, you got to make sure you got everything turned in by Sunday. Come Monday, we're not allowed to grade anything. That's got to do with accreditation and so forth. So if you're gonna, you need to get everything in by Sunday. Um, so anything after that can't be graded. So that's why I emphasize that for you, and hope, you know, give you enough time. So, all right. So I guess that's it. Hope being that this last week, got another term starting next week, so should see a lot of you in there. Most of you will see me quite a lot if you're if you're in the business program. Um, so with that, we'll call it quits. I will show you my test question, so I know that you watched it, so you can tell me what's going on here with the grandkid, and that'll do it. So everybody have a great week, and get in touch if you need anything. Like I said, I'm going to be on the road, but I can still answer the phone and text, and you know, I'll check the the emails and everything. So okay, great week. Those of you that are in the next course with me, I'll see you next week. But everybody do, yeah, just have a great week and everything. Get in touch if you need anything. Take care.